Alrighty, hello everybody. So in this video, I'm just going to kind of go over the basics of how to solve or answer all the questions for your Daily Geography Week 7. Alrighty, so in your Daily Geography Week 7 in your Buzz app, the directions, it says use the map and the paragraph below the map to help you answer the questions. Make sure you ask, so ask me if you need any help before you submit it, because you're only going to get one try to submit it. Alright, so once we start it, here at the first part, we see this map and a little paragraph right below this map. So this is a Robinson projection map. So you have your lines of latitude that go across and your lines of longitude that go up and down. And then you have your 7 continents labeled there. And then you have the 5 oceans that are labeled there as well. And then you have the prime meridian, which is 0 degrees longitude. And then the equator, which is 0 degrees latitude. All right. And then you have this little paragraph that kind of describes the Robinson projection map. Okay, so let's get to our questions. So I'm just going to kind of read through the questions. I'm not going to give you the answer, but I'm going to kind of guide you on where to look for the answers. Okay, so number 1, it says, what is a system for mapping the round Earth on a flat surface called? So for this one, I will give you the answer for this one. So this is called a projection map. So a projection map is a system used for mapping the round Earth on a flat surface. So flat surface, we're talking about a map instead of a globe, but this is called a projection map. So that will be your answer for number 1. So that's the only answer I'm going to give you. So number 2, it says, what is another name for an oval-shaped projection map? So if you go to the first sentence here, read that first sentence, and it says the Robinson projection map is an oval-shaped projection. So the answer was within that sentence. Alrighty. Number 3, it says, what continents lie partially or completely south of the equator? So we come back up to our map here. We find the equator, which is 0 degrees latitude right in the middle. And there's going to be 4 answers for this one. So we're looking for 4 continents that are partially, so we have a little bit underneath the equator, or they're all complete, their whole entire land is located below the equator. So you go to the equator here, and there's 4 continents that have some land that is south, that is below the equator. So you should have 4 answers for that third question there. Then number 4, it says most of the contiguous United States falls between which 2 lines of latitude? And then hint, contiguous means touching one or more sides. So contiguous United States is just a state touching another state. So most of the United States falls between what 2 lines of latitude? So remember, lines of latitude run across. We come up here to the United States. Right up here. So what 2 lines? What's the line right above the United States here? And what's the line right below? So you have to give me the degree and the direction. Alrighty, so that's number 4. Number 5, it says, is Central America on the same line of latitude as Africa, Australia, or South America? So we come up here to our map. Central America is right here, and it's on this 15 degrees north latitude line. So is Africa, South America, or Australia along this same line of latitude? So you just kind of have to follow this line across and tell me which one of those continents is on the same line. Number 6, it says, which continent includes the coordinates 30 degrees south latitude and 135 degrees east longitude? So first we come up to our map here. We find 30 degrees south is going to be below the equator. So we find 30 degrees south right here. So we follow that all the way across till we get to our 135 degrees east longitude line that goes up and down. So what continent is at where those 2 points meet? So that'll be your answer for number 6. Number 7, it says, which U.S. state has the address of 70 degrees north latitude and 150 degrees west longitude? So if you come up here, we're north, so we're 70 degrees north. So we come up here to the very top and 150 degrees west. So what state is the biggest state in the United States? That'll be your answer for number 7. And then lastly, number 8, it says, which of the 5 oceans is closest to 90 degrees north latitude, and which one is closest to 90 degrees south latitude? So which ocean is at the very top? Which ocean is closest to our very top of their globe? And then which ocean is closest to the very bottom of our globe, okay? So those will help you answer those questions for our daily geography. If you need help, just let me know.